Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these charming paper pockets out of wrapping paper. They are so handy for all those little cards and receipts and things you need to tuck away, and you don't need a big file folder for them. And this way you can use up all that odd wrapping paper that you've been saving. For this demonstration I used wrapping paper, obviously, and tools. I had scissors and a one-hole punch. I also had cardstock, and I used embroidery floss for a tie for one of the pockets. For the first pocket I'm going to show you, I used a piece of paper that measured 16 by 20 inches. Once it's folded, it will form the outside of the pocket and the inner liner. I folded the paper in half, and with the fold placed at the top, I turned the bottom up 5 or 6 inches, and I glued the two folds of paper together. The part that is folded up formed the pocket. Using my hole punch tool, I punched a series of holes along the pocket edge on each side. With my embroidery floss, I formed a loop, put that through the hole, and then pulled through the tail of the embroidery floss to form my first tie. I repeated that through all the holes, and I started at the bottom and worked my way to the top edge of the pocket. This is what it looks like on the reverse side. Now you're ready to stuff the pockets with all those little odds and ends that you had nowhere to file, and you can close it and tie it with a bow. My wrapping paper was quite thin, so I used the cardstock to strengthen the folder a little bit. I slipped it in between the layers and then glued the edges down to keep it in place. Now I'm going to show you how to make this pretty pocket using a striped wrapping paper that I had. As well as the paper, you'll need glue for this one. Cut 2 squares of paper. I think I used 10-inch squares for this one, and glue them together, wrong sides together. Once they're glued together and you have a single square, fold it corner to corner into a triangle. Fold the front part of the triangle down until the tip of the triangle meets the baseline. Fold the two sides in until they tuck under the folded down top, and then glue them all in place. Now all the folds are glued in place, you're ready to fill the pocket with all those little odds and ends you've been collecting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. It's all free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.